Hi, a very warm good afternoon to all. This is Dr. Rashi Chaturvedi with RCBG Insights. Today, it's about how corporate cultures differ around the world. I'll be attaching the article as well. It's a fantastic article. Please go through it. And the article says it has segregated 2-3 pointers. The first one is how people interact. Here it says what people choose, basically independence or interdependence, and accordingly they have defined which countries go for independent kind of a culture and which countries go for interdependent kind of a culture at their workplaces. Then the second thing they said is how people respond to change. That is, the organizations, they favor stability or they favor flexibility. It's about the differential practice. Then comes, they have given a very, very beautiful 8 styles of company culture, starting from caring, results, purpose, learning, safety, order, authority, and enjoyment. And accordingly they have given the percentages where what kind of salient cultural styles are adopted, how they are adopted, what the employees need to check out through, because right now there are a lot of outsourcing done in the companies. There is freelance work also is being cherished in the companies, so there's a lot of diversification happening. So how the employees cater to that kind of diversification, so that things are beautifully done at the workplaces. So it's actually a very, very beautiful insight about the various cultures involved and how they could be catered to. Kindly go through it, and I'll come up with another insight. And I'm actually loving this HBR reviews, and kindly go through it. Seriously, it is excellent. It's actually, there are many things you might be knowing. I'm not saying you are not knowing it, but the way it had portrayed and the way it had structured the whole I must say the corporate culture in a nutshell, it's excellent. Please go through it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.